Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. Finally Seedream new version got released, and this time it is Seedream 5.0 Lite, the next generation of AI image creation. Previously it was the Seedream 4.5, now this is 5.0 Lite, and I have tried this model on their official platform for free. Yes, for free you can try this model. Just you need to select this model from the drop down. Here you see this is the newly launched, and the output is really amazing. Here you see I just gave one image here and I asked it give me the outline of this image, and I have got this kind of output. So basically the image was this, and from this image I generated this outline of this image, and this was the prompt. Okay, now let me show you the limit here. So I have given the link in the description. You go there and you will find this kind of page. Okay, Seedream 5.0 Lite, and there you please click on this try for free. After that it will open this kind of page, so make sure you log in to this page, and after you log in here you see that you will get this free quota, means 50 image generation for free. And here you see in this portion you can select this ratio, 1 is to 1 or 3 is to 4 according to your choice. And also this is a 2K image that you will get. And another thing is that if you want to try different prompts, so for you guys I have given two website link in description, this one and one is this one. Okay, this is the GitHub repo where you will find some beautiful prompt that you can try and generate some kind of beautiful websites. So in front of you, let me just use this and let me generate some beautiful images. Let's say this image. Okay, this is a beautiful image and I have this prompt. So copy it and go there, and yes, here I will just try this. Okay, so for that I will just paste this prompt here. Okay, and now press enter, and I will select this ratio as the, let's say, 3 is to 4 or 9 is to 16. Okay, and yes, press enter. Now let's see, and here you see that it is generating the image. Let's wait for that. And if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, because on this channel you will get all of the latest updated innovations that are getting published in AI. And in the meantime, when it is generating, let me just show you some of the features. First is the multimodal reasoning that supports the professional creation. What does that mean? Here you see that with improved understanding of spatial structure, composition and real-world design logic, this model can generate visuals that remain structurally coherent and contextually appropriate. Even in complex scenes involve multiple subjects. So here you see that there are multiple subjects are present. Okay. So fine-grained details and non-linear instructions. This enables professional grade output for scenarios such as presentation, educational diagram, menu concept, interior design crafts, etc. etc. So from idea to execution, you can use this model. And visualizing complex knowledge and designs. So Seedream 5.0 Lite translates structured information and design requirements into visuals with clear hierarchy, consistent layout, and accurate visual relationships. So here you see that all of the step-by-step processes that you can explain with this model. Okay, this is a kind of magma accumulation and eruption principle. These images and this text both are multimodal, and it is supported here. This kind of complex information with the visuals and also product explanation and comparison graphics, both are here. Okay, and also here you see that from this person you can actually differentiate all of these dresses. And also here you see this welcome is written here in this picture, and for this input one there is no welcome written, but you can combine both of them together. And here you see that the pool is here, and also you can actually transfer this welcome and this backside, this home, to this picture here. Okay, so this kind of complex generation you can do, and also more precise and controllable generation with predictable results. And also it is built for the real world creative workflows, means consistency, precision and speed. all of these are available for this inside this model. Okay, so it will be a real world creative model that will help for your workflows with greater reliability. Okay, so yes, you please try this model for free, and here you see that now it is ready for us. So if I just make it large, oh my God, it is really beautiful, man. And I took the prompt from this website, and these website generated images are made by this Nano Banana Pro. Here you see that all of these images are made with Nano Banana Pro. So this is the Nano Banana Pro output. This is the Nano Banana Pro output, and now this is the output from the Seedream 5.0 Lite. So almost similar. They both are good. Okay, so you please try it with different prompts and let me know your experience with this model in the comment section. Okay, so yes, just make sure to subscribe this channel to get this type of content more. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.